Finally, guys, I get to try itong pinakabago ng Detail Cosmetics in collaboration with MAE and REI, who are my dear friends. So congratulations to the three, MAE, REI, and Detail, kay Rosette, and to the whole team, of course, for this collaboration na nakita ko sa social media, nakita ko sa pictures na super interesting, super ganda sa pictures pa lang, and I can't wait to let you know my thoughts. But of course, to my viewers and to my subscribers, this is just like a quick review because ginagawa ko yung makeup ko ngayon and isasama ko kayo sa gagawin natin all throughout the day kahit na medyo patapos ng araw, pero yung gagawin natin mamaya. So, very chill tayo today and very, alam mo yun, laid back. But of course, nothing but the truth pa rin from me and nothing but honest opinions and, you know, review. So, it comes with this pouch right here, which is velvet, and it's very parang, that's cute, I got you, na, because velvet flush, guys. Yung name ng shades na to ay name ng pets ni MAE and REI. And of course, eto na guys, ito na yung shades ng velvet flush. Parang sa harap, velvet flush, and sa likod, ipapa-zoom in ko guys. Sa likod, may kita nyo, Vavavoom ang illustration. So may kita mo yung color ginamit sa buhok. Ginamit siya sa lids, sa cheeks, at saka sa lips, which is very smart, and I do love the overall like packaging. Yung component design is basically what's on the box, and so you have like you know, like a hint kung ano yung itsura niya. Pero sa likod may kita mo yung shade, and also it is a multi-use mousse. And then 8 grams of product for 249 pesos na available sa Lazada and sa Shopee. I will be linking them on the description box below so you guys can check it out. Sineparate ko yung warm shades sa medyo pinkish, neutral, and also itong deeper shades. I will start doon sa pinaka-orange, which is Luna. So Luna is the Bichon Frisé ni REI. And so this is like a very orangey, peachy shade, I suppose. Oh, it is indeed very moussey. Very pigmented, I have to say. Sobrang soft. Sa una mong lagay ng daliri mo, I immediately felt there's something like, para siyang cream, may basa feeling. But once you apply it on skin, it turns into this really buttery, not really buttery, it's more of like soft, matte finish. Si Cotton naman, wait, sino si Cotton? Hindi ko nakabisado. I think si Cotton for sure kay MAE. Tama ba? Uy, tama nyo nga ako, MAE and REI. Hindi ko kabisado yung mga pets. Pero this Cotton is also more on the warm side, pero mas nudish yung ano niya, yung itsura niya. This can be MAE's shade because ito yung mga tipo niyang shade pagdating sa, even yung lipstick niya, it's more of this shade. Sobrang yung pigmented, I have to say. It's very smooth. So Max is this fiery red, orange, so definitely on the warm side of the spectrum. Ito namang Lucas, brownish shade na siya. There you go. This is for when you want that, I guess, if you want that sun-kissed or you know, tanned look. And then a corally shade which is milky. Oh, ito guys, mas malambot yung ibabaw. Milky is a corally shade which is a pinkish shade pero hindi siya like overly pink. Last but definitely not the least is Beau. Beau is the deepest shade amongst everything else in this collection or in this line, and this is maroony shade. This is like a brownish red na babagay if you want, again, something more of like a sun-kissed look. Again, hindi na ako yung kapag morena ka, you go for deeper shades. Ang napansin ko nung nagmamorena ako, when you are already on the deeper spectrum pagdating sa complexion mo and you add deeper colors on your face, mas nagdi-deepen. So, when it comes to blush, when it comes to adding colors sa mukha mo, I am now a believer na you can go for anything, of course. But kung nasa morena ka, I would actually use something lighter para mas mag-pop yung color. But, of course, huwag naman like super light kasi like puputok lang yun. So, it's a matter of finding the perfect shade for your complexion. Parang ang sarap niya dot-dot-dotin kasi ang lambot-lambot niya. So, ilalagay ko lang siya sa aking pisngi. This is already amazing just because of the amount of color na nakukuha ko, na nagde-deposit, at lumalabas once blended. Hindi naman ako nag-powder kasi I know that a mousse formula tend to be slippery. And this is parang basically mimicking kung ano yung magiging itsura niya when you just apply it on bare skin. So this is what it looks like once blended. So even if you think na, parang makulay siya, okay na kaya siya. Actually, for it to pop up, you'd have to, nakita nyo naman, siguro mga 2 to 3 layers. It's not a bad thing. It's just that I think you have to know na, okay, hindi siya like tint, hindi siya water tint, hindi siya like, the liquidy tint, na isang ganun lang, it tends to adhere on the skin. So it means na hindi lahat ng color ay kakapit lang sa balat mo and it will eventually fade. So for it to pop and for it to really stay, kung gusto mo makita talaga yung color, just, huwag kayong mahiya because I think kahit na i-build natin to ng i-build, it will not, hindi siya yung talagang like sobra kang mamumula na parang tosino unlike yung mga water tints. That's because of the silicone na present sa formulation na to. So even if I pile on ito na, pang ilan na to, 4th na layer na to, it would still, mapula siya guys, parang mapapansin mo, parang mapula siya, pero kapag ginanon-ganon ko pa siya, eventually, matitame down yung kulay. Ngayon naman, pumunta tayo sa lids. Gagamitin ko itong Lucas. Oh, this is really a pop of color, I have to say. Buti na lang, soft matte ang dating nito bilang nakikita ko na talagang naglalangis na yung buong mukha ko. I think if you would go darker or apply more layers, then makikita mo mas nagda-darken yung sa lids. Pero if you would go light, like let's say for example in my case, there is, parang super close ng shade nila sa isa't isa. The good thing is sobrang ganda ng blendability. Sobrang dali i-blend all over the lids. And now naman, itong bow, ilalagay ko siya sa labi. When you apply it on the lips, para kang nag-a-apply ng powder. If you're looking for that powdery matte feel on the lips, this is it. As in parang powder. This is really interesting sa labi. Habang merong parang nagtitinda ng ice cream sa ating, maririnig nyo ang bell. So, huwag nyo intindihin ang mga nagbebenta po sa aming kalsada. Anyway, going back, this is very interesting because it is matte. Legit, like, matte talaga siya. Yung matteness niya, if you have, let's say, dry lips or chapped lips, prepare for it. As in, mag-lip mask kayo, mag-lip balm kayo, and then pat your lip balm to remove the excess oil, and then you add this on top because this is matte. And hindi lang siya matte on finish, matte din siya on texture and the feel. So it's dry. Ito yung sasabihin ko, like let's say for example, a matte lipstick compared to this kind of matte. A matte lipstick, it's still wet. Mafe-feel mo pa rin yung may emollient siya, may cream siya. But itong matteness na to ng product na to, it's really like powder level. But the pros, yung kapit niya, for like a mousse, for a multi-use mousse, this really sticks on the lips. It's just that hindi lang siya like super pantay because of the powdery, because of the matteness na natural sa kanyang formula, but the color adheres on the lips. It is there, it is pigmented, the color payoff is good, buildable din siya. Nagpa-powder lang ako to seal the color and at the same time para mabawasan yung lang sa mukha ko. And then samahan niyo ako guys kasi magluluto tayo for dinner. Ang lulutuin ko chicken tikka masala. Tama ba? Oo, yun ang menu natin for... Woo! Kahit na hindi siya kahit na napowderan siya, hindi siya like super nag-fade. Nandun pa rin yung kulay. Pero, para lang sure, lagyan na natin siya. Gusto ko pag nagba-blush, yung dito lang sa gitna, yung malakas makamanika. Yeah, gusto ko ng ganyan. Tuntua siya sa bago niyang laruan. So anyway, ito na guys, yung marinated natin ng overnight na chicken tikka. Tama ba yung sinasabi ko? Chicken tikka masala ba talaga to? Marami muna siyang pagdadaanan bago mo siya maluto at makain. Kailangan mo muna siyang i-marinate overnight. Kailangan mo muna siyang i-grill or kailangan mo lutuin muna yung chicken. Tapos lulutuin mo ulit siya. Diba? 3 steps. So ito na guys yung spices na ilalagay natin sa sauce. Oh no, coriander powder, i-eyeball ko na lang. I mean, garam masala. 1 kutsarita. Cumin, same. Eyeball, it's okay. Guys, eyeball. Siyempre, dumami yun. Turmeric. Ayan. Coriander powder. And then chili. Sa chili, konti lang to. Kaya just a dash. Okay, that's perfect. Magpipuree na tayo ng tomato. Start it low. Naglagay na ako ng konting olive oil. So now, kukunin ko lang tong onions. Painitan natin. Actually pala, better pala kung same pan ninyo niluto yung chicken. It's just that nasanay lang kami nag-ginigirl namin para may char at saka multitasking para mabilis yung pagluluto. So right now, we are just cooking sa medium heat ito. Now, the garlic. And the ginger. We'll add in like 2 tablespoons of butter. Mukhang okay na to guys, mabango na siya. Ayokong masunog yung butter bago natin i-add ito. So, pag sa tingin yung medyo sobrang nagbabrown na yung butter, then wag niyo na siyang patagalin. I-add na natin yung tomato puree. And then yung kanina mga spices, i-add na natin. Kalat natin siyang ganyan. And then konting salt. Halo-halo. Tapos dagdagan lang ng hotdog at saka queso. Diyos. Spaghetti pala niluto. Yan. Iwanan lang muna natin siya for 8 minutes. Babalikan natin. Add in the milk para lang hindi siya masyadong malapot. Then, coconut milk just for added like flavor and depth. And then, ay, may juice pa rin pala talaga. Oh, yum. Add din natin guys yung chicken. If you're looking for a flavorful way para mag-chicken, tikka masala is like the best way to go. We love Indian food. We love this cuisine because sobrang flavorful and it's just, you know, full of spice and complexity. Yun na guys, nagpalit lang ako, nag-change costume mo kasi natalsikan na yung damit ko. Pinatanggal ko na agad yung mancha kasi natalsikan. Susuot ko itong maganda ako period ni Tina. More than 30, no, for sure. So, after more than a little bit over 30 minutes of cooking, ito guys yung ating velvet flush situation. And it's still there, which is good. I can see na may color pa sa eyes, sa cheeks, and sa labi. Even if medyo natatanggal na sa gitna, but I can see na may makeup ako, which is good. So, now it's time to eat, guys. Prepared na ating chicken tikka masala. And then, yogurt sauce on the side. Well, supposedly masarap to if you have garlic. Pero, okay na itong just plain yogurt. And so, yun. Hindi ko alam yung bon appetit sa India. Pero, let's eat! So, this will be my last check-in. Alam mo, kahit super similar siya sa napkin, yung sa lips ko, it stayed longer than I remember sa napkin. Let me try this sa bare skin and I'll give you guys updates on Instagram. But, I'm happy na kahit paano long lasting siya. So it's the next day guys and I'm wearing Velvet Flush as my blush. And so I have to say, based sa experience ko kahapon, it was pleasurable. It was an enjoyable experience wearing the Velvet Flush and I'm really surprised sa longevity because I've tried, you know, that type of formula before and mabilis siya mag-fade. Parang after an hour as in halos wala na siya. But the Velvet Flush formula, nandun pa rin. Of course, it would fade. Hindi siya like kung ano yung, you know, kung paano mo siya nilagay freshly, like, you know, the freshly applied one. Pero the color is still there even after like 5 to 6 hours. So, that's good. And also, the shade range is nice. The choices of shades. The price, definitely affordable. So, overall, since na-enjoy ko naman yung experience, I highly recommend it to everyone who's looking for a multi-use product na pwede mo magamit on your lids, on your cheeks, and on your lips. But for me, personally, pinaka-bet ko siya sa pisngi. Sa labi, not so much, maybe because of the matteness or the talagang dryness, but definitely on the cheeks, winner siya. And also, guys, ma-share ko lang kasi super cute na to, oh, diba? Parang, ang nice niya tignan, Mickey Mouse. Ilalagay ko na lang yan sa description box below. Well, thank you guys for joining me in another vlog. If you guys enjoyed itong Velvet Flush, like quick review, and also my chicken tikka masala recipe, let me know in the comment section below. And I hope you guys enjoy your day, and I'll see you on the next vlog. Bye!